up? Matt from Urchfab. In this video I'm heading up to Rockaway Park near Bristol, UK. It's basically like a art exhibition type place where there's loads of different types of art, like metal art, lots of stuff made out of old car parts, and yeah, it's basically situated in an old scrapyard, and I used to work just around the corner from the scrapyard and used to use it, go in there and get parts when it was being used as a scrapyard. So it's pretty interesting to go back there now and it be like repurposed completely as something different. So yeah, I just thought I'd do a video on it because I thought if you're interested in this sort of stuff, you'll probably like a lot of the stuff that's up there. So yeah, this is it. Say hello to the YouTube. You on camera, boy? Right, so that was Rockaway Park. Pretty cool place, got a really nice cafe, you can get food there, you know, it's just loads of cool stuff. Every time they do like a weekend event, they have different stuff on show as well, so it was all different pieces of art to what was there before. So if you weren't really into that, it'll be back to welding, grinding tomorrow. Hope you enjoyed that, and cheers for watching. See you tomorrow.